guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nilanjana here if you are new to my channel. So today I'm gonna share one of my hair care DIYs with you guys, which I love. If you don't know, then it's really hot and humid in Kolkata right now. So that's why I don't have any kind of face makeup on. I just have a little bit of leftover kajal from yesterday and I have a little bit of lipstick on because without it I think that I look dead. So yeah, today I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite hair care remedy for this summer and monsoon season when our scalp gets to be a lot more sweaty, a lot more oily, and it has kind of sticky dandruff, which we all hate, right? So yeah, let's talk about my hair type. So I have a very oily scalp and dry hair. Okay, you can see my hair is not oily at all. I do have a dry frizzy kind of hair. It's not rough, but it's dry, and I have a very oily scalp. And when it's summer, my scalp tends to be a lot more sweaty, a lot more oily than usual. So this hair tonic comes in handy for this purposes because it's so good, guys. It just helps my scalp to be like squeaky clean. It gets rid of all the oil, all the bacteria buildups, all the like dandruff and everything, but it doesn't dry out my scalp. So I really hate when my scalp dries out and it becomes flaky. I have a lot of flaky dandruffs. I hate that. So it doesn't do that. It just clears out my scalp, clears out my hair really nicely. It cleans my scalp, okay? So I love this product for that purpose. And if you have similar hair type like me, like if you have oily scalp and dry hair, then this thing is gonna cure all your hair problems. Trust me, guys, use it once, you'll fall in love with it. And it's really easy to make as well, and you have all the products at your home right now. I can assure you that you have all the products right now. So you can pause the video after watching that what you need to make this video and do this thing with me, because it's really easy to make. You don't need a lot of time, or it doesn't create a lot of mess. Sorry for the honking noises, I can't do anything about it. So like it doesn't need a lot of time, or it doesn't create a big mess. So you can do it with me as well. So you can pause the video after watching what products you need to make this hair tonic, and then you can make it and then apply it with me, and yeah, that will be awesome. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just see that what we need to make this hair tonic. So the first ingredient you need is camphor, then you need a little bit of green tea, then you need a little bit of rose water, and then you need a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, and the last ingredient is a little bit of black pepper powder. So first of all, you need to crush the camphor a bit so that it forms a like powder like structure, and after it's all nice and like crushed, then you're gonna add a little bit of green tea. So this is a very strongly brewed green tea, as you can see. So I have used like 4 to 5 teaspoons of it, and I'm gonna mix it really nicely. You don't have to measure it exactly. You can just eyeball it and you can use it according to your likings. Then I'm gonna add 2 to 3 teaspoons of rose water. You can add as much as you like, okay? Then I'm gonna add 10 to 15 drops of lemon juice, not more than that, okay? We don't need any more lemon juice. So I'm gonna add only 10 to 15 drops of lemon juice. Mind it, you don't need more than that. Then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper powder, very little amount. So I'm gonna mix it really nicely, and after adding the lemon, the mixture changes its color a bit. As you can see, it is looking like tomato red. I don't know how the camera picks up the color, but yeah, it's like it will look like tomato red color. It will change its color, and after it has changed its color, it's totally ready to apply. Talk about the benefits of this hair tonic while applying it on my scalp. So yeah, let's just apply it. So to apply it, I need a little bit of cotton, like a little small cotton ball or something. So I'm gonna dip the cotton in the tonic, squeeze it out, and apply it on my scalp like so. So I'm gonna create small partitions all over my head, like all over my scalp, and apply it. So whenever you have a sticky dandruff or very sweaty scalp, then whenever you sweat a lot, the sweat comes down on your face, and if you have a lot of acne on your forehead in the summertime, then maybe you have dandruff. That is why you are having all those forehead bumps, like small bumps or big pimples, pustule pimples or anything. Any kind of forehead bumps or forehead pimples is mostly related to your dandruff issue. So like you need to make sure that you get rid of your dandruff first and then you do anything for your acne, because otherwise nothing is gonna work. And I'm just applying it and rubbing it like this so that if I have any kind of dandruff or anything, that just goes away. Like that, you just need to scrub your scalp with it. I don't know, I do it. I don't know you should do it or not, but I do it and I have, like, it gives me a really nice result. So I really like doing it. So I'm just gonna do it all over my hair. And guys, as it has green tea, that conditions your hair really nicely, so the hair looks really good after you wash your hair. And as I have a little bit of tea tree oil in the rose water, it gives me a little bit of a tingling sensation, but it's okay, I don't hate it. So I have applied it all over the front portion of my scalp, and now I'm gonna apply it on the back portions of my scalp too. So guys, I have applied it all over my hair and it gives me a little bit of tingling sensation, which is totally okay because we have used a little bit of black pepper powder and I have a little bit of tea tree, so it's gonna give you a little bit of tingling sensation, so it's totally fine, it's totally okay. So I'm gonna leave my scalp like this, like I'm gonna make a bun. So I'm just gonna make a bun, a high bun, like a very messy one. I'm not gonna do any fancy kind of thing. So after I'm gonna secure this bun with a clip, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes, and after that I'm gonna wash my hair with a natural shampoo, and I think I'm gonna use the Patanjali anti-dandruff shampoo. I do not like any other Patanjali shampoos that much, because I don't like the smell of Patanjali shampoos and I think they dries my hair out a bit. But whenever I do this treatment, I love to use Patanjali anti-dandruff shampoo because that is really clarifying, and I don't know why, but I really like the smell of the Patanjali anti-dandruff shampoo a lot. I don't know. If you don't like a very strong smell, then maybe you won't like that shampoo. But I also don't like very strong smells, but I don't know why I love that Patanjali anti-dandruff shampoo smell. It smells like peppermint mixed with soft, like fennel seeds. So I really like the smell, I don't know why. So I'm gonna wash off my hair with that shampoo, and I don't use conditioner generally on my hair because I oil my hair a lot. I apply a lot of hair mask, so I do not apply any kind of conditioner. it doesn't dries out my hair a lot. So I'm gonna wash off my hair with that shampoo, and yeah, I will let it air dry, and I won't do anything else for my hair. It will take care of my hair really nicely. My scalp is feeling so nice. It's having like a cooling sensation, a very like tingling but cooling sensation, which I like. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on my hair for 30 minutes and then I will wash it off. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you have very oily scalp and dry hair or oily hair, this is a must try thing for you. And if you think that you cannot bear a lot of like tingling sensation, then please skip that black pepper powder, because that gives you a little bit of tingling sensation. So yeah, you can skip that totally, and even if you skip that, it's gonna work amazingly for your hair. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, because that makes me so happy. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it. It's totally free, and don't forget to press the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you can get notifications whenever I upload my next videos, and you can watch them first as well. So yeah, that's it. And if you have any kind of video request, or if you just want to talk to me, then please comment below. I love to talk to you guys, as you all know by now. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.